Computer Science and Engineering department. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is data visualization and data analytics. So first we have to know about what is data analytics. Data analytics is a process of analyzing the data. So whenever we are collecting raw data from the user in the form of Excel or else in PDF or else in any kind of flat file format, then it will be moving on to the data analysis process. So which means in the flat file, what are the information we are importing, like a numerical data or alphanumerical data. So based on that we can visualizing the information. So if I am taking as an Excel as a flat file means, so it is consisting of rows and columns only. So in this it may contain n number of it may be n cross n number of rows and columns. So if I want to visualizing or predicting or I need to analyze any information from that Excel file means, so purely it is difficult to us. So to avoiding the complex problem, we are moving on to the analysis process. So here after analyzing, so it will be representing as a pictorial representation in the form of chart or else in the form of maps. So based on that we can easily predict what is the exact process happened in that flat file. So to avoid the complex problem, we can easily visualizing in the form of pictorial representation. So for that purpose we are moving to the data analysis and visualization part. So here this data analysis is consisting of four major types. So first one is descriptive. Then second one is diagnostic. Third one is prediction. And fourth one is prescriptive. So these are the four major types of data analysis. So here this descriptive is nothing but, so what happened, so which means if I am importing one flat file in the form of Excel means, so inbuilt what is happening over to that Excel file, so that is called as a descriptive. So here the output may be present in the descriptive and well descriptive or else in the form of summarization format. So for example, if I am moving on to the healthcare related problem means, in that one specific patient, it may be a patient, so I need to analyze the continuous illness of that patient means, so during on the time we will move on to this descriptive, so which means it will produce the summarization of the specific patient. So based on the healthcare related applications we can directly move on to the descriptive. Then second one is diagnostic. Diagnostic is nothing but, so when it will be happen. So here we have to apply or reprocess the entire information in this diagnostic process. Then third one is prediction. So which means here if I am importing any one data means, here the weather related information we can visualize in the form of prediction. So which means when I am collecting the old information, so or else I am importing in that Excel file based on that probability whether tomorrow rain will be come or not, and or else I will analyze the pressure or humidity or else temperature based on this flat file information. So this is the prediction format. Then next one is a prescriptive. So this also provide the detailed information about this the flat file. And one more thing, in this descriptive format we can produce in the simplified informations like called mean, median, mode or a standard deviation. So like that information we can use this descriptive format. Then next we will move on to that what is data analytics. So it is majorly consisting of five major processes. So first one is we are cleaning the data. So first when we are collecting the raw information, so which means meaningless information, so that we have to apply the cleanness. So this is the first process. Then second one is the analysis. So here it is we are using the data analytics part. So in this data analysis we are using these four major types called descriptive, diagnostic and predictive and prescriptive information. These four all informations will be happened in this analysis. Then next one is the visualization. So visualization is nothing but after completing these four any one process, we will visualizing the information, which means we are representing in the form of pictorial representation. So here we can easily understand the information. This visualization may be present in the form of chart or is in the form of graph. So in this chart we can, it may be present in a pie chart or bar chart. So in this graph it may be present in the information. Thank you.